Hello, Jason, and anybody else seeing this? Today I'm going to show off my experimental media assessment I've made. For this assessment, I made a shitty Simpsons museum, which you can see here in Unity. I can't actually run the app itself after I've built it, or else my Mac will blow up. So I thought it'd be best just to show it off in this little play window it has on it. So it drops you off into this room here. You might not be able to hear the music at the moment. I've just muted it for the recording. So basically, you start off in a Bart Simpson room. Everything in here is from the walls to the paintings, the floor, it's all cubes. I've just used a cube and then given it different textures and whatnot, pictures on the wall. The lighting in the game is mostly spotlights shining onto each painting, but you can't see it, so I just added a little street lamp on top. That's not really adding much light, it's just there to make the spotlights look less sus, I guess. Once you leave, it's more Bart. The whole left side is Bart Simpson. You got a little chair asset there. Boulder here, just because in my travels and galleries I've sometimes seen boulders randomly in the room. It's just, I don't know, it's a thing. Then you got so Bart ends around here, and then you go into the Lisa and other just family characters, Marge and there's Bart. More Lisas, and then you get to a bit of a family sort of things here. My personal favourite one up here, the crucified Krusty the Clown. There's some vending machine assets right here. They don't really work, they're just there for looks. Some Lenny, I think. And then you come over to mostly Homicide. You're actually able to sprint and jump in this as well. I don't know if I've said that yet. But the shift button lets you sprint, the spacebar lets you jump, and it's a normal WSAD key move. More Homer. And some vases on tables right here, just because sometimes I've noticed there's random vases that are old. They look pretty good. Probably the best looking thing in here. And that is it for my shitty Simpsons tattoo museum I've made. Thank you.